A good sign. Most people's expectations for the price of ADA in 2023 are between 0.4140 and 0.5768, where they thought that the price of Cardano ADA could hit $1 soon. This is a very negative ADA price expectation for 2023. Sort of is 0.2389, and a very big way in this Cardano ADA price prediction for 2023, 2024, and 2030. We will break down the value cases of ADA by using exact merchant cordial technical examination points and basically try to predict how the digital currency will change in the future, which is ADA Cardano. ADA Cardano. All things considered, the by and large local badge of the Cardano blockchain is a simple blockchain that uses the verification of stake POS agreement system. This third-generation blockchain started out as a Layer 1 arrangement, but the Layer 2 update made it clear that it was a Layer 2 arrangement. Hydra was kind of integrated into the current group in kind of late 2021. How Cardano ADA price could hit $1 soon in a way that isn't too noticeable. Cardano has been worked on as a redesigned version of Ethereum's really savvy contract network in a way that doesn't get in the way. It is also a way to scale the permissionless idea of the DeFi space and help the goal of banking the unbanked. Cardano ADA value prediction for 2023, based on its market capitalization and the conditions of its market capitalization, Cardano ADA ranks 8th. This shows how the Layer 2 update will affect it in the long run. Hydra, in particular, was brought into the current system very late in 2021. How the price of Cardano ADA could really hit $1 soon in a meaningful way. All things considered, the big picture of what to expect from the Cardano price in 2023 in all the ways that matter is laid out below with a really daily time frame. In the above diagram, Cardano ADA spread out a kind of flat channel example, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The very even channel explicitly is otherwise called the sideways pattern, showing how this third age blockchain at first in every way that really matters existed as a Layer 1 arrangement, or so they generally thought as a rule. The in every way that really matters flat channel sort of is framed during cost combination in an unpretentious manner. In this example, the really upper trend line, the line which associates the highs, and the kind of lower trend line, the line which associates the lows, sort of run evenly beautiful equal, and the cost activity especially is somewhat held inside it, which in a real sense is very huge. A truly flat channel in every practical sense is in many cases viewed as one of the reasonable examples for timing the market, as the trading focuses explicitly are in union, which really shows that Cardano generally has been worked as an updated variant of Ethereum's most certainly savvy contract organization. At the time of the study, the real price of Cardano ADA was 0.3132, or so they thought. If the current trend continues, the price of ADA could reach the resistance levels of 0.3184, 0.4365, and 0.8121. If the trend changes, the price of ADA could fall to the support level of 0.2335, which is the opposite of what most people think about Cardano ADA's resistance and support levels. The graph below shows what the possible amounts of resistance and support for Cardano ADA could be in 2023. Despite what most people think, Cardano's value is expected to rise. 20. RSI and 23 vol mama. The technical analysis points of Bitcoin ADA, such as relative volume vol moving, normal mama, and relative strength file RSI, are shown in the picture below. From the readings on the diagram above, we can make the following assumptions about the current Cardano ADA market in 2023, which is very important. In the diagram below, we break down the strength and predictability of Cardano ADA using the following technical analysis tools: normal directional list, ADX, and relative volatility index, RV. This year would be a good one for cryptocurrency, as shown by the fact that in this Cardano ADA Cost Expectation 2023-2024 to 2030 article, we'll look at the price history of ADA using exact merchant cordial technical analysis tips and try to predict how the digital currency will change in the future. In the end, what matters is Cardano ADA. Cardano ADA is the local badge of the Cardano blockchain, which is kind of a big deal. All in all, the bullish Cardano ADA price prediction for 2023 is 0.5768, which is a pretty big number. If a bad feeling is set off, the negative Cardano ADA price prediction for 2023 is 0.5768. The Cardano ADA price forecast for 2023 is 0.2389, which is a huge amount. If the market force and investors' confidence really goes up, Cardano ADA could hit $1 in a really big way. Also, with future updates and changes in the Cardano environment, ADA could do better than its current all-time high of $3.10. In spite of what most people think, the price of a Cardano ADA could hit $1 soon. What's more, the market's new app shows that the Layer 2 update will happen in the end. Hydra was definitely merged into the current organization in late 2021. From all outward appearances, the price of Cardano ADA could hit $1 soon, despite what most people think. This is a very big deal when you think about what Cardano ADA is. Cardano 88 is the main local digital currency of Cardano, which is mostly a very large digital currency. Cardano is a smart contract built on the blockchain that is an exception to the verification of stake pose deal sent off in 2017, or so they think, in large part to all of the bull ISH signs. The price of Cardano ADA is expected to be 0.5768 in 2023. Where could you buy Cardano ADA at any time? Amazingly, Cardano ADA has been listed on a number of crypto exchanges, including Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Bitfinex, and OX. 3. Will Cardano ADA really come to another ATH soon? With the constant changes and updates to the Cardano platform, ADA has a very high chance of getting to its ATH soon. 4. So where is Cardano ADA going? What is the most popular thing? On September 2, 2021, Cardano ADA went against what most people thought in every way. When BTC drops 10%, what do you think the price of BTC will be? Will BTC find support near $26,000? In the world of cryptocurrencies, which are always changing, Bitcoin's recent 10% drop has sparked a lot of interest and debate. The present price of Bitcoin on the market is $26,200, which is a small drop. This price change happens at the same time as an important event, a U.S. lawmaker's criticism of how the SEC makes rules, which has spread through the market and changed how people feel about BTC's price path. Also, economist Peter Schiff's loud criticisms of the Federal Reserve's policies and his warnings about future inflation have made the talk about Bitcoin more complicated. In this report, we look at what these changes mean for Bitcoin's future and how likely it is that BTC will find support at $26,000. In the midst of SEC rulemaking criticism, a U.S. lawmaker's comments affect the price of Bitcoin. The comments from U.S. Congressman Frank Lucas, Republican Oklahoma, about SEC Chair Gary Gensler's hasty and poorly thought-out way of making rules affects the price of BTC.